All right, we have this
where am I
little
supposed to put this?
bracelet and a cancer awareness bracelet. This has kind of got the moonstone beads.
Now we'll test it real quick. And yes, it is magnetic.
Test this little thingy.
Yes.
It's magnetic.
Wait, let me. Wait. No, this part right here is not magnetic.
Okay.
But everything else, like these little tiny steel beads, are magnetic.
Well, they may not be. What's magnetic is this, because it's fed with wire.
Oh,
There's
yeah,
wire
the wire
for all that. Yeah.
But it could still be the balls as well.
Okay.
Could be
Alrighty.
both.
Gotcha. Okay.
It's probably both.
That was mine.
Okay, let's see what I will choose. I'll go for this ring right here. I saw this ring. It looks pretty cool. It's probably not magnetic. Yeah, it's just a little ring.
It's acrylic.
Actually, it felt a little magnetic.
It's not magnetic.
Yeah.
It's acrylic.
Yeah, it's not magnetic.
It's not a metal at all.
And see, those are rhinestones.
And I really like that.
Yeah.
Can I put it on?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sure. See? Ain't it pretty?
It's beautiful. I love it.
Looks good on you.
Thank you.
Okie dokie. It is now officially your turn.
Okie dokie. Here's another watch, because we haven't had enough watches tonight. And it's another fossil. So this is the fossil mother lode I'm getting here tonight, called the Big Tick. Nice bracelet, silver tone. And where's my magnet guy?
I will test it if it's magnetic, and it probably is stainless steel, since it's not magnetic.
Yeah.
Except for the battery, but the battery's probably magnetic.
And it's not working, right?
Yeah, it's never working.
Okay.
Because it's fossil.
It's a battery. Not because of that.
I know.
Silly. It needs a battery.
I know that.
It's not a wind-up. Okay.
Where's the...
Your turn.
I really want to find it. No,
What are you looking for?
Oh, yeah.
Just anything. That's good.
I was looking for the thing we call a movie.
There you go. Maybe not. Pick something.
That's pretty.
Like I said, we have to show it all.
It is not magnetic at all, but it's a little cross with a bunch of rhinestones.
Yes, it's very pretty.
Bunch of pretty beads and stuff.
Is it marked anything on the back of the cross?
No, just
All right,
something
show
right
them the
here.
back of the cross up
It's
close.
just like a plain.
Right here.
Yeah, I think it's like copper or something. It's very pretty though. You want to say anything about it?
There's wooden beads, and
Probably
I
been
think
good.
these are turquoise beads, or either halite beads. And it's stretchy. Okay.
I'm looking at the camera.
Oh,
Sorry.
you ready to do something else? Here, I'll do these.
You thought I was doing something else?
These are some older pearls, and they're very pretty peach color. And they have the pearl extender on the chain. It needs a little cleaning. As you can see, it's very darkened.
No,
I think the women must have worn a lot of perfume and hairspray and stuff because
it is.
and didn't keep their jewelry clean. But it looks like that.
For the rest
That's
of
a vintage piece.
I will
Your
choose
turn.
mine once I get this thing on. Okay. I know it's not Christmas time, but I decided to go for the snowman. It's pretty cute.
Oh, he is cute.
It is not magnetic, not that I think of. So it must be, I don't know. And there's a bunch of rhinestones here.
It's nice. Maybe it's stainless steel.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
That's what I'm thinking. What? That makes no sense. Oh, I get it.
What's next?
I'm just looking at something. It's your turn.
Oh, okay.
Don't
Well,
ask me.
don't ask you. It's my turn. Okay.
Oh, I get this how it goes.
Here is a, let's see if I got anything in here. Here's a pendant. Beautiful little pendant.
I'll put
This is acrylic with a little dried flower in it.
And
the bell's real pretty.
And I will test for magnetic, and I doubt, yep, it is not rhinestone, this is a rhinestone, but it's not magnetic at all.
Okay.
Have anything to say?
And that's that. Now it's
Okay.
your turn.
Maybe they're choosing between this. Which one do you want?
I don't care. Just do one.
Like the stars. We have some stars with rhinestones in a couple of them, I think.
And some of them are cut out.
Yeah, and some of them. I'm gonna test something. Yeah.
It must be the jump ring, huh?
Yeah, it's the jump ring right here. That's magnetic.
Okay.
Yeah, that's mostly it.
But the rest of it's not?
Yeah, I don't think so.
The chain's not?
No, the chain's probably stainless steel.
Very pretty.
Yes.
Could be sterling.
Yeah, it could be.
Very shiny. In fact, there's something written on the back of the stars here. It says ART, I think.
Oh, I think it says art.
I know.
ART.
Wait a minute now. I'm showing it to them, and you took it away from them. There we go. No, that says NRT. I'm going to loop it
Nerd.
so I can really read it. No, it's NRT. So it might be Avon.
Avon.
Yeah, somebody was saying NRT might be Avon. I don't know.
Okay. I'm going to try and get this knot out.
Somebody has added.
I think I just broke it. No, it's not broken.
Somebody added an extender by putting this onto it.
Yeah, that wasn't really a good idea. Well, I have two necklaces that you could choose
Making
from.
you have two clasps. I would take that off and just join it with the spring ring and not have this clasp here because it takes away from it. So that's that one. Your turn.
No, I just did that.
Oh, well, yeah, but I finished it.
But
Here, will
I
you bag
chose-
it?
What?
If I'm going to do it, then you got to bag it.
But I don't.
The little baggies.
But
Where
I
are
still
they?
want to do it.
Okay, we'll do it.
I'm just gonna put it here, then I'm gonna put it in the baggie.
Oh, okay.
So
Sounds like a plan.
we can both explain it then.
Yeah, we'll work together.
Um,
It's more fun that way.
The chain is definitely magnetic.
Yeah, it sure is.
He-
But you're out of the camera.
Sorry. Yeah, it's magnetic.
Okay.
Dang it.
Yeah. He's trying to test the little gold thing. There, he's back in the picture. I think it's magnetic. Wait a minute, honey. That's an earring that's attached to that. It sure is. Look. So this is just a chain that's a magnetic chain.
Actually, it looks pretty nice with that on.
And that's a... Now test that and see if it's magnetic.
I know it's not magnetic.
So that could be gold. Oh, it is. It's a little magnetic.
It's probably like half gold, half. Maybe it's like painted gold.
I don't know, honey. Well, there went the chain on the floor.
Oh yeah, it's definitely magnetic.
Okay, let's not play with it anymore because it's a single earring. What's next?
What was that?
That one?
Oh no, I just heard something. I'm gonna choose from here. I saw something. I wanted to look at. Oh, it's right here.
That looks very interesting. Put it on the plate so they can see what you're looking at.
I'm looking at this, which says serenity, hope, peace, and probably, I don't know, love. That's probably what the heart stands for.
Mm-hmm.
But it's really pretty.
That is very pretty.
Very interesting. Is this supposed to be on here?
Yes, that's a toggle class.
Oh, it looks like a
That's
man.
that's how it's put together.
But it's very, very pretty. And there's the mustache. Look, it's a mustache. Does it kind of look like a mustache?
You're so funny. The heart is not magnetic itself. The spring ring clasps are magnetic. This part is not magnetic. Here they are up close. The beads are acrylic, and the little disc here are not magnetic. And we're done with that one. Next, let's do this. It's right here and we haven't done it. Let's get it done. Here's a little music note. A little beaded chain with the lobster claw clasp. You getting tired?
No, my legs hurt.
Oh, well, sit down for a minute and let me do this for a little while. We have plenty to show.
Yeah.
You can relax a minute. Here's the lobster claw clasp. Here's the little beaded chain.
You know what? I moved my chair.
And there's the music note. And we have some magnetism there. This is not magnetic, the pendant. This part is probably stainless steel.
And I found another one of these.
Oh, good.
We keep finding these little things that
You're
are
right there.
broken apart. We're just collecting them all. Oh, I moved my chair.
Okay,
Am I in frame?
you're next.
Am I
No,
in
you're
frame?
not in the frame.
Okay, just making sure. I saw this. Found this. I'm just gonna go ahead. Yes, I'll check the rest for magnetic. It has a little pull right here.
Mm-hmm.
See the little pull?
Yeah, I do. I see that perfectly.
And this one is really good. But this is magnetic. I don't really know what these purple gems are.
They're probably rhinestones.
Yeah, they probably
Dyed
are.
purple.
Yeah, dyed. But they're really pretty and with a bunch of, I think, what?
Beads with the end caps.
Yeah.
Faceted beads.
No, this.
And the purple color.
Yeah, this is really pretty. I don't really know how you put this.
Little
on.
pearls.
But it is magnetic.
And it's
I
closed.
probably-
It closes with a toggle clasp. This is what a toggle clasp is, just so you know. It goes like this. Okay, you see it?
Yeah, then you like put it in
Put it in there and make sure the other side comes in.
so it can be his mustache once again.
Yep.
He's grown a weirder mustache. I'll be honest, the other one looked. He had a better
Your
mustache
mustaches.
last time.
And there's a picture of it a little bit
you
closer up.
already
These
done-
are purple here. Little pearls here. Okay, what's next?
Have we done the music note yet?
Yes, I
Oh.
just put it over there
Sorry, I was just
to
making
get it
sure.
out of the way.
I was making sure.
That's what, we're not going to put it on the table unless we've done it, okay? Except for earrings, single ear.
I'm not doing something else that looks better. Says
That's a nice one.
Heather. Oh, whatever. Well, I guess this is for somebody. Sorry, somebody whose name is Heather.
Yes,
Anybody out there whose name is Heather, you can have it.
there is somebody out there whose name is Heather.
I know there is.
Who is it?
I don't know my armor. I just hit my
It's
funny
my brother's
sister.
little girl. Oh, his oldest daughter.
That hurts so bad.
I'm sorry.
No, not that. I hit the Stupid thing. Oh, that hurt.
And this is a gem bracelet that's got gem chips on a stretchy. You got amethyst. You got aventurine.
Amethyst. Stone.
I'm not sure what that is. Some of you may know the stones better than I do. But it's very pretty.
Well, at least
Nice and cold.
At least you know it better than I do. I'll go with this one.
That's a pretty bracelet.
Found a bracelet.
Yes, it is a bracelet.
I'm gonna count how many. And we now know it's magnetic.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna count how many chains are on. Was my head in frame?
No.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this is hard. Wait, I'm gonna get them all straightened out. Then I'm gonna count them. 1, 2, 11.
Okay.
Just asking, was I in frame at all?
No, I don't think so, honey.
I really opposing the frame.
I wasn't watching the whole time.
Because I don't really like being in frame.
Okay.
As we already know, this is magnetic. Well, the chain's magnetic, but the flower part is not. Actually, this might be gold. On right here?
No, honey, that's those are rhinestones set in a gold toned setting, but they're not gold.
They're a lot better at. Actually, no, this whatever that thing is, actually is magnetic. Just a little, tiny bit. So I will put this aside and get something else.
Okay. You're going to show today? You're making sure that they're seeing things well?
Yeah, I'm
I'm going to hold it up again. There's little rhinestones here on the edges that are green. There's the rhinestones in the middle. It's a very dainty chain. It's a Figaro chains. And it's clasped with a lobster claw clasp. And I don't know if there was any signature on this or not. I don't see anything, but I think that's really a cool bracelet. Okay. Sorry, there you go.
Okay, this is our next one, which is like a necklace, I think.
Yes.
Actually, I think my mom has this necklace. My mom does have this.
She does.
My mom actually has this necklace.
Mm-hmm.
She doesn't really wears it often because it's really messed up, like this one. Just kidding, hers isn't messed up. But this is the chain is magnetic. And
You're out of frame.
Sorry, this whole thing is magnetic.
Yep.
I don't think are these pearls?
No, they're acrylic beads.
Sorry.
There you go.
But except for the beads, everything else is magnetic. See?
Mm-hmm.
Well, actually, no. The size is magnetic, but
Jump rings?
Jump rings. Jump rings are magnetic, but not everything else. Only like the chain and the jump rings.
Okay.
That's all magnetic.
Can I show it to him closer now
Yep.
while you find something else?
Yep, I will find something else.
This is like a statement necklace. It's very geometric. It's the color cream white color. If I can get it all straightened back out again.
That's probably my fault.
No, honey, it's not your fault at all. It's these type of necklaces. There we go. And it looks like this.
Kind of like a honeycomb.
Oh, that's a perfect description. Perfect. Like that. Good job,
'Cause
Dalton.
Because it like shapes the form of a honey, and that like
Yeah, it
it
does.
represents the wax that they make
Mm-hmm.
to make the honey.
Excellent.
Sorry, I just love animals.
Yes, I know you do, and that's wonderful. There we go. Excellent. Next.
Okay, next we have this. Was I in it?
You're not in the frame.
Okay, these
Genuine?
genuine Austrian crystal.
Uh-huh.
And it is magnetic, not very magnetic, but it's a little bit pulled.
Slightly.
Yeah, it might
Has
not,
a slight pull.
yeah. Here, this is what it looks like, and here's the back. It's like a little pin you can put on your
It's a
shirt.
tack pin.
Yeah, and it's like made out of
Rhinestones?
rhinestone.
Or CZs.
Or yeah.
No,
it's crystals. we both said that at the same time.
Yes, we did.
You know what? Most of them actually could have been crystals.
Yes, they could have been. I'm just giving them a little closer shot of the pen. Okay, you ready to show something else?
Oh, I'll just
Good job.
concentrated. I'm gonna save that for later. I keep forgetting to show you all this, but well, it is a part of the mystery box. $40 mystery box. And I just pulled out this. I'm gonna go ahead and test if it's magnetic, and the chain is magnetic. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
As you can see, this is what it says. I don't know what it says because I don't.
Can't see it.
Sorry. This is
Put it on the plate.
this
There-
is
oh,
what
there you go. You were right here.
this is what it looks like, and
Here, let me show
it's
it
in
to 'em.
cursive. I don't read cursive, so.
It's Gabrielle. Do you write cursive?
I know how to write cursive, but I'm not
You
really.
can't read it yet?
Yeah, I can't read it.
Do you know that's a G? A-B-R-I.
Oh yeah.
E-L-L-E.
E. I can actually write my name.
And that's Gabriel.
Wait, do you have
Some people would call him Gabby for short.
Wait, you know
It's
Gabriel?
pretty. I've heard the name before. You want to put it back in the bag?
Yeah.
While
Actually,
she's
no,
doing
I'm
that,
not-
I'll
I'll
show
put
you
it
this
back
little
in.
pendant. It's a little bear pendant
You can start picking them.
with rhinestones.
Actually, no, I'll get that later.
It signed something on the back here.
I have mine already.
It says, I do not know.
I think, yeah. Either.
I'm sorry, these old eyes just can't read it. It's DM
I might be able to see
099.
it. I might be able to see it.
It's DM 099.
Yeah.
And I don't know what that means.
Whatever. I think this is a sunflower, which kind of looks like a lion. If you look at it, I think it's supposed to be but it is magnetic. I think it's either a sunflower or a lion.
Okay, you want to show it up close so they can see it?
See, ain't that pretty? And here's the.
Isn't.
I'm done with people saying that. He gets on my nerves so much.
Isn't it pretty?
Is my head in frame?
No, it's not in the frame.
I really don't want
And this is the little choker, lacy choker necklace. You know who'd like this, Dalton?
Who?
Samantha.
Oh yeah, Samantha would probably like it.
Yeah, she'll like that. We'll put that over there for her.
She doesn't really wear any jewelry though.
Where is the next thing?
Let's go. What the heck? Is it supposed
This is another one. We need to find a chain for you for a necklace.
Yeah.
Here's a little turtle.
I'll figure out.
And there's the back. And I believe, I don't know, do you have the, no, here it is, the magnet. That's magnetic. I don't know if the turtle's magnetic. Yes, the turtle's magnetic too. Still a cute pendant. I'm going to put it over here for you.
Okay. Next up, we have the cross on.
Nope.
Oh, it's actually an anchor, but it kind of looks like a cross with
Yep.
an anchor. But it's not magnetic. None of this is magnetic. Wait, I'm gonna try again.
Cloth is never going to be magnetic. You're only testing the metal for magnetism.
But look, you'll see it.
Nope, they can't see it.
I can't write button.
I'm just showing you where to put your hand. Right there, perfect.
Y'all like it?
Awesome.
It has pink, purple, and like a dark, either like a really bright red and dark, or dark pink. But yeah, and that's how it comes off. And then I think it's a bracelet.
Mm-hmm.
See it? It would go around you, and the hook would like hook it. And you can also tell if it's like either a magnet, because if it's cold or warm.
Okay.
I learned that from you.
No, a stone is cold.
Yeah. Not.
Not magnetism.
Yeah, no. That's what.
All metal's usually cold.
That's not cold. You know what? I don't know what that is, so you explain.
That is, where's the other earring? Here it is. Here we have an earring set with mixed metal beads. You have your gunmetal, your gold, and your silver. And these are your gunmetal wires. Very pretty little earrings.
And I will, no, before we put them away, I doubt they're magnetic, but yeah, the bottom of the earring, the piece where it goes in, is magnetic. See, now you have the magnet has earrings.
Awesome.
Look, it has this.
Yes, and it holds up the earrings great. That's another great idea. Instead of me trying to hold them from now on, I'm going to use the magnet just to hold them up.
Yeah, you can put
And
them.
they can dangle.
Yeah.
No, like a lot of times when I'm trying to demonstrate these, I'm doing like this to show them, trying to hang them on my fingers.
Oh yeah.
And it didn't work. They can just hang from that. Awesome. Let me see.
Good idea, Dalton.
Yeah, well, that's what I said. You came up with another. Down.
Sorry.
Right
Isn't it
there.
cool? Well, I can't see
Cool.
the frame, so
I know.
don't really know.
I know you need to be sitting here, don't you? Why don't you sit here? That way you could show it and you can look over here while you're showing it.
Oh, dang it. Oh, it's all stuck. Oh, there we go.
And then I'll sit over
I'll
here
put
and do things and give them to you to show. So we're doing musical chairs here.
Okay. I will move the camera on. Okay. So you will pass it to me and I will check. See? My hand's in front.
But if you leave it here, you can work. You're going to work here. Because you're going to be looking over here. But you can look back while you're working here to show it.
Okie dokie.
Do it the way you want it.
Okay.
Oh, you're in charge. Ow. It'll hurt my wrist.
I'm trying to like keep.
Okay, I'm giving you the next thing to show.
Okay. We have this watch, which is not magnetic. Or actually, haven't we? I asked that question. And no, the watch does not work. See?
What's
watch.
the name brand of the watch?
The watch is called Relic.
That's right.
And every thing that has a name does not work. Except for the no name.
That's
Here you go.
kind of been the way it's been tonight, isn't it?
Yeah. That's actually
They just
the
need batteries.
exact way it's been.
I know.
I really missed no name.
They just need batteries.
Look.
Here's your next one. I see that.
It won't come off. Okay. Next. Come on, pliers.
Now, there's no metal in this, so you don't need to test it, but you need to
Okay.
show it.
See, this is a bracelet. Sorry. It's very pretty, and these I don't think are real.
That's correct. They're not real cold, are they?
No,
They're acrylic.
I think they're acrylic.
Right. And it's a stretchy bracelet.
It's very stretchy. See, a stretch. But I don't want to break it, so I'm not going to stretch it so much.
Okay.
Putting
This
that.
is going to be your next piece.
Okay.
I'm going to lay it out on the plate. You got the plate in position?
Yep. They can see you in frame. Or not you, but the stuff.
Okay, there you go. Tell them about it.
Do you know if it's magnet?
No, I don't. I'll hold on to it.
Okay. It is not magnetic, but I will check the in part, and if y'all can see here, it's magnetic. But here's what it looks up close. See? A bunch of rocks.
Are those stones?
Yeah, they're rocks. They're
They're
stones.
cold,
Yeah.
are they?
If you were here, you would probably feel.
Yeah.
But they're cold. Actually, they're really cold.
Yep. Okay.
Don't want those tangled, because they probably get tangled right out.
And I'm just going to show them one more time.
Really pretty rocks.
Can they see it?
Yeah, they can see it. Just move it down real low. Right there. That's good. They can see it.
Okay. Alrighty. You have these next.
Okay.
Can they see it? Wait a minute before you pick them up. Tell me if they can see it.
They can see it perfectly.
Okay, we have 2 earrings.
And no, they are not magnetic. So, Grammy, not every earring that's not magnetic you can't pick up.
Okay.
Sorry. But no, these are not magnetic, and I think these are dyed rhinestones, if I'm correct. Or they could either be rose quartz.
Yeah, they're probably dyed. Yeah, these are little like CZs, and these are beads, faceted little beads,
Sorry, I'm trying to...
and they're acrylic because they're not real cold.
They can't see it.
Okay, yeah, see. Can they see that now?
Yeah.
These are
Here's
faceted
what
beads.
it looks like. Really pretty. See. Okay, Grammy. There you go.
Alright, here you go.
Okay. Now, I guarantee these are magnetic. I would be surprised. Now, where's my magnet?
Oh, I'm glad I'm not the only one that does that right here.
Oh, you're definitely not. But yes, this is magnetic. I'm going to see if the coins are. No, the coins aren't magnetic. But we have one made. I can't read it. It doesn't say. Yeah, it doesn't say when this was made. Wait. Is this one? No. Oh, this one was made 1968 right here. You'll see that? 1968. I'm not going to explain all of them. If you want to, you can explain all the dates.
Okay.
I got one 1968.
You have to tell me if I'm in frame or not, okay? Wait a
You
minute,
are not in
I'm
frame.
getting there. Can they see that?
Yeah, they can see that.